It's like a real housewife of New York with her Pinot Grigio here. We're getting the watermelon drunk. Okay, with cookout season here, pool party season here, we need something transcendent, and I've got it for you. I call it the Wino watermelon. Basically a wine-infused watermelon. It's so easy to make. Check this out. We just need a bottle of white wine. It's got to be wine you would love to drink. So this is a Pinot Grigio from Livio Faluga. And make sure it's a wine that's not too oaky. You don't want the oak to bully the delicate flavor of the watermelon. So this even has a nice melony flavor that will match perfectly with our watermelon. I'll steal a little bit of that. No special tools needed. Let's just bore a little hole here. We're going to bore a hole, cut a hole into the side of the watermelon, okay? And you want to make sure to get down into the red of the watermelon. So get down pretty deep. Then we take this out, okay? Very simple, okay? Just done with a knife. And then we take our white wine. I said this is really easy, but you really should plan a day in advance, and I'm going to get to why in a second. So, bottle of white wine, and then we get our watermelon drunk with this beautiful Pinot Grigio. Basically, oh, there we go. You get a little spillage, but we bore this down. Oh, look at that. It's like a real housewife of New York with her Pinot Grigio here. We're getting the watermelon drunk, and it takes about 4 hours. The level goes down very slowly. Basically, I like to let it sit overnight, and then we're gonna pick up tomorrow when our watermelon is fully drunk. Okay, it's been 24 hours with our watermelon. The wine slowly infusing into the watermelon, and pretty much all of the bottle has gone in, and you have to kind of quickly, there we go, little splash. It's good to have a towel. I don't have one right now, but it's good to have a towel to clean up any mess. And then we take a knife, and by the way, check out the blowhole there. And then we go. Okay, very nice. Okay, wow. Okay, well, you drop the bottle. Okay, so I can fix that in post, as they say. So you cut it, and then what we're gonna do is cut it again. Okay. Let me show you how that looks. You can see a little bit where the bottle was, but it is wet and wild, this watermelon. And then, boy, is this perfect for summertime. And then what we're gonna do is cut off a succulent slice. Oh my God, right then and there. So, without further ado, let's try our white wine infused watermelon. This is so good. Fruity, melony, refreshing. Perfect for a summer day, rated S for succulent. You now do, you have your homework, try the Wino watermelon.